how do you get raving fans as a listing agent? Okay, like fearless agents always do. It's by under-promising and over-delivering, okay? So here's an example of gross incompetence on a listing presentation. And normal realtors, non-fearless agents, are always guilty of this, very commonly. When they do their CMA, they're giving an opinion. First of all, they show the CMA to the seller. That's ridiculous, okay? No fearless agent has ever done that. But they'll give them a range. They'll go, oh, somewhere in the neighborhood of, you know, 450,000 to 500,000 is probably fair market value. Well, that is incompetent because the seller only heard 500. And you were probably high. So I've noticed that when I'm talking to my Fearless Agent coaching students, the seller's price opinion, write this down if you're taking notes, write down seller's price opinion, 500, okay? Fearless Agent's price opinion, 450. So they said to the seller, you know, near as I can figure, fair market value is somewhere in the neighborhood of, I don't know, 450. They give one number. That's their guess at fair market value. And then they're going to base the estimate of the net at the end of the listing and pricing presentation on that one number. But if they're wrong, are they wrong high or are they wrong low? So if people were objective, they would be wrong high 50% of the time, and they would be wrong low 50% of the time. Think of your sellers. When they're wrong on their opinion of the price of their own house, are they always wrong low? Oh no, they're always wrong high, aren't they? And you know the funny thing is the realtor always has the seller's voice in their head, so they tend to be wrong high too, not as high perhaps. So I've kind of noticed that fair market value, if the seller thinks it's 500 and the listing agent thinks it's 450, it's probably 400. You know, that tends to be true. And we would adjust that for the price ranges. So gross incompetence would be, again, over-promising and under-delivering. So prepare the seller for the worst-case scenario. When you estimate the net that they're going to get, don't make it sound great and make it sound. So I would always say it this way: I'm going to give you a number that you can make your plans on. And this number, it's my job to make that number bigger. And I'm extremely good at my job. And if it was ever less than the number I'm giving you, then I screwed up. And I never screw up. And then I give them that number, and then they are very pleasantly surprised. Now, right at that moment, they say, oh, we were hoping for more than that. And my answer to that would be, and then they look at each other, you know, they go, yeah, okay, I guess, you know, that's what we're going to do. They sign the listing, and then they end up getting way more than that, and then you're the hero. There are several ways you can try Fearless Agent before you become a member. First, go to our website, fearlessagent.com, and go to the webinar in the upper right-hand corner in the banner. Click on that, watch that. It's about 45 minutes long. Take a bunch of notes. That's going to help you for sure. Number two would be watch all the videos on our website. Okay, there's lots of great training videos there. I guarantee you that's going to be better training for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's our guarantee. And then the third thing is you can call me. There will be a no pressure, no closing you, free complimentary coaching call. And we'll just find out who you are. And once we know who you are, then of course it's all about your customers. So we'll do a good job of seeing if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, I'll still help you in any way I can, because the main thing is we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.